It's a limbo.
Middle to the outside.
What'd you say?
Take the middle to the outside where all this loose snow is here. Push it out.
I'm gonna have to do my goggles. Snow's coming in behind my sunglasses.
Yep.
Sorry, man. I'll go around you.
And when you get the gate, try the same thing. Just alternate per gate. Yep. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Don't hit my pile. You got a snow blower. Get lit.
Yeah, we have a snow blower blown into the fence. Thank you.
This way?
was it today? You want to come with us?
Yeah.
What's up, fam?
How you doing?
Good.
How your legs doing?
Fantastic.
They're warm and they're a little cold.
If you want to down on the bridge tomorrow, or just somebody wants to grab those 2 gates off the brake.
I saw that.
Yeah.
I was like, huh.
I was wondering.
Hi, Jen McD. I'm going down the bar right.
Let's go get them.
Drive, you see, your night road, let's grab it.
Marlon and Greg got that. We're walking up with them now.
Morning, warm, Tom.
I didn't see much dye on your clothes.
No.
All right. Well, I'm sorry, 1-8, Tom. Women's Super G Star.
Save some for me.
I'll see if I just can clean up this Alaska's low line with a snowcat if possible. Hold on, some gears left, gears right. Gears right. Be easy, commit it left fall, drive right off, back up to the blue pole, drive back down. Yeah, copy. Alaska, you copy that? No, you don't need to make this stuff go away. We'll pack it down with the machine, okay? Leave it in a big wad so it's easy to spot.
That trash must stink. Did you have a good day?
That's good.
Show north, so you go back up to get that
I was up there all day, so
What's that?
I was up there all day,
Oh,
so
yeah?
it's all 4 turns.
Okay, I'll come with you.
We're slowly catching up to him. His location says he's like that first chair, like the furthest one you can see.
Okay.
Quimby, what's your point?
So we should tuck the brink. Tuck the
Air 9,
town
power.
turn.
Awesome, we're going to stomp this out when you guys come back during the next lap. That one.
You drive back every
I've been
day?
staying here.
Okay. That's
Really
good.
housing.
Tarns.
The river's edge.
Oh, gotcha.
Rosie, how long is the party tonight? Okay, because I know it starts at 5. I'm just calling you. I'll probably be late. I know it starts at 5. I'm calling to tell you I'll probably be late. Hey, sorry, I'm on the lift. I know it starts at 5. I'm calling to tell you I'm gonna be late. Alright, sounds good. I just wanted to make sure like it wasn't like a specific time to a specific time. Alright. Cool. Well, I will see you later. Alright, bye.
Where do you race at Breck?
Over on Cimarron. It's a peak 10.
A long time since I was over there.
We don't have very many races this year. U14 GS, U14 Super G, and I think.
That's all you guys have this
That's
year?
all we have this year. No fish races, no.
Yeah. I don't know. It's hard to get people to go out there.
Yeah.
Too many cancellations in the past. You know? I was a racer, so
Yeah.
I know the Brett
We
course.
canceled a lot last year.
Yeah.
It was right during the snowstorm.
Well, that's what happens. It's either 60-mile-an-hour winds across the course up there, or snowing like you can't see 10 feet in front of you.
Pretty much.
Yeah. I couldn't imagine what you guys got to do to put those on.
If it's nice days like this, it's easy.
Oh yeah, of course.
Otherwise, we're out there doing this stuff. Like,
Yep. Are those the? Oh, those are the Mavericks. Okay. Those look like the Ben Shellers.
Mavericks.
Yeah,
How do you like them?
they look pretty
I
similar.
like them.
Yeah.
They're fun to ski. They're probably not the best for this course, but
You know.
I'm at a point where I'm just sliding now.
Hey, you're not on rental skis. I've seen too many people on course with rental skis. So I think you're doing good.
I haven't run into Nate yet.
Yeah. Did you see that guy sliding down? earlier?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, on that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bottom chair 9. You can disregard on that air fence.
And now the distance is going to increase.
Yeah.
Oh, we got all those people from the bird feeder getting out.
Oh yeah. Getting on.
Coming off and on.
Yeah.
It slows down when they get on, it slows down when they get off.
Oh, it looks like everybody's headed out.
Yeah, I should grab my pack.
Polly, you want a hole in the spec fence over there?
No, there's still a bunch of people down there.
They look like they're pretty much done then.
Yeah.
There's a group of slippers ahead of us somewhere.
Yeah. That's who we're trying to catch up to.
Yeah.
2 laps, no success.
I can't hear you. Between me and the inside gate, and let's just try to clean this bluff up all the way down through the blue gate below me. So don't go right of the turning pole. Correct. Between me and the turning gate. Yeah, could be Kevin Kane. Hit me up when you get to the top of Golden Eagle. Yep. Well, 181 from 6-6. I'll also use the machine in the abyss.
It's great.
Yes, sir.
I've just been trying to catch up to my dad.
It's what I do. Fly with me. We're gonna go pick up the rest of the flat stuff.